INC is a religious organization. They are not a political organization. As a religious organization, non-partisan sila. Wala mo talaga silang kinakampihan. Mapupersa nyo ba yung INC na hindi? Kampihan nyo si Inday. Can you really impose that on INC or for them to call for the takedown of this government? Of course not. And they had been a permanent institution in Philippine society for, for more than 100 years. I don't think it is fair na mag-demand sa INC na dapat ganito, bakit no impeachment lang? Even if, let's say sabihin na natin na safe yung or medyo hindi ganun katigas yung stand ng INC sa current political situation ngayon, itong ginawa ng INC na to is already very bold for their standard. Why? Okay? Noong 2015, nung in-exercise ng INC, itong ganitong klaseng pagkakaisa nila, they were doing it for themselves. At that time, merong internal squabble yung Iglesia ni Cristo. Pagkatapos, the DOJ then, si Leila de Lima pa yon, nag-endorse ng kaso against INC. That would, in effect, issue a warrant of arrest against Eduardo Manalo yata, hindi ko alam kung sino. Basta parang magiging ganun yung consequences, magiging ganun yung consequence niya. So, they have no choice but to go out on the streets and tell DOJ na ayusin yung kaso na yan. Na you have to think about that case really, really carefully. Ganyan. And they were able to get what they wanted. 5 days in EDSA, they were able to get what they wanted, and so, umalis sila ng EDSA afterwards.